And what is substance abuse? Substance abuse refers to the harmful or hazardous use of psychoactive substances, including alcohol and illicit drugs. One of the key impacts of illicit drug use on society is the negative health consequences experienced by its users. Right. What are the side effects of drugs and alcohol abuse? Getting an infectious diseases like HIV, liver cirrhosis, emphysema, just an example. Other people get health problems, other health problems, even mental health problems, accident, suicide, family problems like domestic violence, lots of things, work issues, people lost their jobs because they cannot function 100% as the job expected them to do or perform. There's problems at school. Young people these days are taking drugs and alcohol. They don't know what they're doing. There's legal issues as well where people sometimes they're driving without a license because it has been confiscated already because they were drink driving. Right. Drug addiction, substance use. What does it says? Ooh. All right. Drug addiction, also called substance use disorder, is a disease that affects a person's brain functioning and behavior and leads to an inability to control the use of illegal or illegal drugs or medicine that's prescribed by their doctors. Substances such as alcohol, marijuana, and nicotine also are considered drugs. When you are addicted, you may continue using the drug despite the harm it causes. It all starts there, Drug addiction can start with experimental use of a recreational drug in social situations, and for some people the drug use becoming more frequent, like for example after work. There's social drinks even inside the office. They keep bottles of wine and bottles of alcohol, and after work, when people become addicted, they've been drinking all those things, even if they are working and during working hours. For others, particularly with opioids, drug addiction begins when they take prescribed medicines or receive them from others who have prescriptions. The risk of addiction and how fast you become addicted varies by drug. Some drugs, such as opioid painkillers, have a higher risk and cause addiction more quickly than others. And as time passes, you may need large doses of the drugs to get high. Soon you may need a drug just to feel good. As your drug use increases, you might find that it's increasingly difficult to go without the drug. Attempts to stop, you seek help. Attempts to stop drug use may cause intense cravings, cold turkey, and make you feel physically ill. These are called withdrawal symptoms. Get help from your healthcare provider. Get help from your family. Leave an open line of communication. Talk to your friend. Go to support groups or an organized treatment program can help you overcome your drug addiction and stay drug free. Right. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something from this. I do not condone drugs and alcohol use, but learn to do the do's and don'ts of taking drugs. And if you're going to drink, drink in moderation. And if you're going to drink when you are out, make sure you have a driver to take you home. And if you are in a group, make sure there is a designated driver among you. Take good care and don't do anything that you are not sure what to do. Have a good day.